Discord app not working problem solved. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Discord application not working problem. So guys, I'm gonna show you some tips and tricks here what you can do here. First of all, make sure that your internet connection is on and the server is good. And the second point, what you have to do here is you have to just simply go to your Google Play Store or App Store on your device, and then you have to simply type on the search bar apps option and you have to write Discord here. So after searching here, you can see here if your application is asking for an update, you have to update with your Discord with your application. You have to update your application here. So after updating your application, you can restart your application, restart your Discord. It might 100% work for you. So guys, the next third point is what you can do here is you have to go to settings and you have to go to app management or install apps option here, and then guys you have to go to your app list. So here you can see here you'll find the lots of your app list. So what you need to do here, you have to search for Discord here. So let me just search for my Discord here. It is here. So now here what you have to do, simply click on the storage usage and then you have to clear all the data here. So after clearing all the data, you have to click on force stop button and then you have to stop the force also here, and then you can see here permission button. Simply tap on the permission and then you have to allow all the permission here. So you can see here you have to allow all the permission on the permission button. Now you can go and switch off your phone and retry again, it will work for you. So the fourth step what you can do here is you have to go to settings again, and you can go to app about phone or software updates, and you can check, you have to check whether your system is asking for an update or not. If your system is asking for an update, you have to update your device and restart your application, and you can check it out whether your Discord application is working or not. So these were some of the tips that you can do and you can fix your Discord application problem. So I hope this will 100% help you out. And also if this things doesn't work you, then what you have to do, you have to go to um, uh, this option and you can see a support option, and then you can just go for support and you can just you can just go for support and you can query for them. So thanks for watching. This was the short video for you. See you soon on the next video.